learning from one-on-one writing and editing masterclass. Writing is a skill that many people have and they don't know that they have. Editing is a skill that many people have, they don't know that they have. Now, if you are a lecturer, you are a teacher, you have gone through school, no matter how much the government is paying, you can add writing and editing to what you do. You do that informally at another level where you write for 1 or 2 people and then you get some change, you get paid. Now, I am going to take a one-on-one masterclass. If you want to learn how to write and how to edit, I am going to guide you, I'm going to teach you, and you are going to be glad that you did. Now, what is going to happen is that you are going to contact me by calling my phone number, which is 080369988, and I am going to charge you a token just for recharge card, just for data that we're going to be using to communicate, and I am going to guide you. So I will take you by the hand. If you have any personal challenge, in fact, I'm going to be giving you tasks. I'm going to be giving you tasks every day. I'm going to give you a task to do until you get it. By the time you are done for 2 weeks, you are going to be glad with it. You are going to know that you have learned something and that you can use and you can convert to many. So get in touch with me and we are going to start. Now, everybody have a story inside of him and you have to tell your story, and that story is good and people are waiting to hear that story. Let's go.